You certainly have to have a pulse of your employees and what they want. And, you know, we saw at both Google and Apple, you know, they rolled out these plans where Apple said they were going to return to office 3 times a week. I believe Google said 2 times a week. And employees had a problem with that. They did not like that idea. You know, I thought it was very reasonable, you know, just from my point of view. But then again, you know, you can see why employees do have a problem with it.
I guess they don't feel heard. But, you know, on the other side of the coin, we do have to get back to work. It is our economy. You know, your employer does still pay your paycheck. I know this is very controversial.
Right, exactly.
Right?
But,
very controversial. First, we had work from home burnout, sort of, right? Everyone was fatigued, working nonstop, right? When we first, I think, started working from home, we were scared. Right? So we were working twice as hard, all holding on to our jobs, not knowing and fearful of the future. Husbands and wives were on schedules, balancing one another. Okay, you take this shift, I take that shift, between kids, food, everything
and
else
like
that
all the
goes
while,
along.
yeah, all the while being scared you're going to get COVID any day, right? So there's a lot of stress. And then what companies found, and employees too, is that we don't necessarily need to be in the office in order to get our work done and be a successful company.
But there is a certain lack of collaboration that doesn't happen, and certain projects and certain tasks do need that collaborative effort. And allowing the employee to dictate the culture, I think, is a miss. As a C-level person on my own, you know, this is, again, an opinionated show right now.
It's getting a little heated.
You know, I'm all for the taking it slow. You know, I'm for the taking it slow and being cautious because, of course, everyone's safety is number one importance. But, you know, I don't think what they were asking was so out of the norm.
I agree.
Be sure to subscribe to our podcast at theadvancedgrp.com. That's theadvancedgrp.com.